Ready to transform your home into a lush, stylish jungle? Today we are revealing stylish large indoor plants that instantly elevate your space, boost your mood, and turn any room into a living masterpiece. From bold statement leaves to elegant palms and low-maintenance beauties, these plants are perfect for beginners and plant pros alike. If you love modern decor, cozy vibes, and eye-catching greenery, you are in the right place. Stick around to discover names, looks, and inspiration that will help you choose your next favorite plant. Let's bring the outdoors in and grow something amazing together. Let's get started with the stylish large indoor plants. Monstera deliciosa, is one of the most iconic and stylish large indoor plants, loved for its bold, split leaves and tropical charm. This fast-growing beauty instantly adds life, texture, and elegance to any room. Native to Central America, Monstera thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts well to indoor environments. Its lush foliage makes it perfect for modern, bohemian, or minimalist decor styles. Easy to care for and visually striking, Monstera is ideal for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. A true statement plant, it turns ordinary spaces into vibrant indoor jungles. Bird of Paradise, Strelitzia reginae, is a bold, architectural plant that brings instant drama and tropical luxury to any indoor space. Famous for its large, banana-like leaves and striking form, this plant creates a fresh, modern statement wherever it's placed. It thrives in bright light and rewards proper care with strong growth and impressive foliage. Perfect for living rooms, open corners, or stylish interiors, Bird of Paradise adds height, texture, and visual impact. If you are looking for a show-stopping plant that feels elegant, powerful, and effortlessly chic, this stunning beauty is an outstanding choice. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata, is a timeless favorite that brings sophistication and bold beauty into any indoor space. With its large, violin-shaped leaves and upright growth, this plant instantly becomes a stylish focal point. Native to tropical West Africa, it thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys a warm, stable environment. When cared for properly, it grows tall and lush, adding height, structure, and elegance to modern, minimal, or classic interiors. Perfect for plant lovers who appreciate statement greenery, the fiddle leaf fig delivers dramatic impact while maintaining a clean, refined look. Elephant ear, Alocasia macrorhizos, is a breathtaking large indoor plant celebrated for its massive, heart-shaped leaves and bold tropical character. Its striking foliage instantly commands attention and adds a dramatic, luxurious feel to any room. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys warm temperatures with moderate humidity. When given proper care, elephant ear grows into an impressive statement piece that enhances modern, contemporary, and tropical interiors. Perfect for plant lovers who appreciate oversized greenery, this stunning plant brings depth, texture, and powerful visual impact to your indoor decor. Orbifolia prayer plant, Calathea orbifolia, is a true showpiece known for its large, round leaves painted with soft silver and green stripes. This elegant plant brings a calm, refined beauty that instantly softens any interior space. Native to tropical forests, it loves bright, filtered light and higher humidity, making it perfect for cozy indoor environments. Its gently moving leaves add a sense of life and tranquility throughout the day. Ideal for plant lovers who enjoy graceful foliage and unique patterns, Orbifolia offers beauty, movement, and style in one stunning plant. Lacy tree philodendron, Philodendron bipinnatifidum, is a bold, tropical beauty admired for its deeply cut, glossy leaves and full, lush appearance. This impressive plant creates a rich, layered look that instantly fills a room with natural charm. Native to South America, it thrives in bright, indirect light and adapts well to indoor conditions. As it matures, its dramatic foliage forms a wide, architectural shape that works beautifully in spacious interiors. Perfect for those who love statement greenery, this plant adds texture, depth, and effortless style to any home. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a striking indoor plant loved for its thick, glossy leaves and strong, upright growth. Its bold foliage adds a polished, contemporary feel that instantly elevates any interior. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant prefers bright, indirect light and consistent but moderate watering. Easy to maintain and long-lasting, rubber plant is perfect for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. Whether placed in a corner or beside furniture, it creates a clean, powerful statement. If you want a plant that looks stylish, confident, and timeless, rubber plant is an excellent choice. Kentia palm, Howia forsteriana, is an elegant and graceful indoor palm that brings a soft, tropical atmosphere into any space. Its long, arching fronds create a relaxed, airy look that instantly enhances interior decor. Native to Lord Howe Island, this palm adapts well to indoor environments and performs best in bright, indirect light. Slow-growing and low maintenance, it's ideal for homes, offices, and apartments. Whether placed in a corner or beside furniture, Kentia palm adds height, movement, and natural beauty, making it a timeless choice for stylish interiors. Umbrella plant, Scaphilera arboricola, is a charming and versatile indoor plant known for its shiny, umbrella-shaped leaf clusters and bushy growth. This attractive plant brings a fresh, lively feel that brightens up any room instantly. It adapts well to indoor conditions and grows best in bright, indirect light with regular watering. Its compact tree-like form makes it ideal for tabletops, shelves, or floor planters. Easygoing and resilient, the umbrella plant is perfect for busy plant lovers who want beautiful greenery without high maintenance. A stylish addition to any home decor. Yucca cane, Yucca elephantypes, is a bold and stylish indoor plant valued for its thick woody canes and spiky, sword-like leaves. This plant brings a clean, architectural look that fits perfectly with modern and minimalist interiors. Native to Central America, yucca cane thrives in bright light and prefers well-draining soil with minimal watering. Its strong structure and slow, steady growth make it an excellent long-term houseplant. Ideal for corners and open spaces, yucca cane adds height, character, and a touch of desert-inspired elegance to your home. That's a wrap on our favorite stylish large indoor plants. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant inspiration. Comment below which plant is your favorite, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep growing and stay green.